Hello and welcome to our 100 Hours of Healing event. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and our mission is fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatment. Hello there, I am Moana Schwertzig, a co-creator of this wonderful organization. We are in the midst of our annual fundraiser, 100 Hours of Healing, which will go through the end of the year. We have several presentations available for you. For a donation of $5, you can gain access to one full presentation, and for a donation of $50, you will gain access to all of our 100 Hours of Healing presentations for the year of 2022. We are looking forward to helping more people with this year and hope you will consider donating today. And I thank you in advance. As I'm also a practitioner for this wonderful organization, I'm giving a presentation on goal setting from a nutrition coach perspective. I am a nutrition coach, and my main goal is to support you with lifelong changes to your diet habits, so you can get on with living your best life and healthiest life. In this presentation, we will talk about types of goals, effectiveness of goals, why and how goals work, and SMARTS goals. We will go through a SMARTS goals worksheet, and I will explain more in detail how that all works. So I hope you can join me. The link to the full presentation will be in the comments. Also, if you're unable to donate at this time, we would still like to connect with you, and you can still help us grow our community. Follow the link below for the access to a free guided meditation. Bring a friend along for that. Sign up a family member who could benefit. Thank you, and good luck on your journey.